Common mistakes in organizational design and how to avoid them. Organizational design is a powerful tool for shaping a company's success, but it is also a complex process with many potential pitfalls. Poor design choices can lead to inefficiencies, low employee morale, and strategic misalignment. In this lesson, we will explore the most common mistakes in organizational design and provide actionable strategies to avoid them. Mistake number 1: ignoring business strategy. A common mistake is designing an organization without aligning it with business goals. When structure and strategy are misaligned, teams may lack direction and decision-making can become ineffective. How to avoid it? Ensure that every structural decision supports the company's mission and long-term objectives. Regularly review the alignment between strategy and structure. Example: a company shifting to a digital-first model should adopt an agile structure that supports rapid innovation. Mistake number 2: overcomplicating the structure. Organizations sometimes create overly complex structures with too many layers of management, leading to slow decision-making and inefficiency. How to avoid it. Keep hierarchies simple and decision-making processes streamlined. Encourage cross-functional collaboration to reduce silos. Example: a multinational company with excessive bureaucracy may benefit from flattening its structure to improve agility. Mistake number 3: ignoring employee input. Employees are the backbone of any organization, yet many redesign efforts happen without consulting those who will be most affected. How to avoid it? Gather employee feedback through surveys, focus groups, and one-on-one discussions. Involve employees in the redesign process to ensure their needs and concerns are addressed. Example: Google's restructuring efforts have succeeded because they prioritize employee feedback and engagement. Mistake number 4: failing to define roles clearly. Unclear job roles and responsibilities lead to confusion, duplication of work, and accountability gaps. How to avoid it? Clearly define roles, responsibilities, and reporting structures. Ensure every team member understands their purpose within the organization. Example: a startup scaling rapidly must establish clear job descriptions to maintain efficiency and avoid overlap. Mistake number 5: not planning for growth. A structure that works for a small business may become a bottleneck as the company grows. Failing to anticipate future needs can lead to operational inefficiencies. How to avoid it? Design a flexible structure that can scale with the organization. Build systems that allow for expansion without excessive restructuring. Example: Amazon's ability to scale globally is due in part to a well-planned and adaptable organizational structure. Mistake number 6: lack of communication during change. Even the best organizational design can fail if leaders do not communicate changes effectively. Employees who do not understand the reasons for change may resist it. How to avoid it? Develop a clear change management strategy. Communicate the purpose, benefits, and timeline of the changes to employees. Example: Microsoft's cultural shift under Satya Nadella was successful because of transparent communication about the company's new direction. Mistake number 7: rigid structures that limit adaptability. A rigid structure can make it difficult for a company to respond to market shifts, technology disruptions, or changing customer needs. How to avoid it? Build flexibility into the design by incorporating agile teams and adaptable workflows. Foster a culture of continuous learning and experimentation. Example: Spotify's squad-based structure enables rapid adaptation and innovation in a fast-changing industry. Final thoughts. Avoiding these common organizational design mistakes can lead to a more efficient, resilient, and high-performing organization. By aligning structure with strategy, simplifying hierarchies, engaging employees, and maintaining flexibility, companies can thrive in today's dynamic business environment. In the next lesson, we will explore how to implement performance metrics and KPIs to track organizational success.